Hey everyone, Chris from Cuppa here. I wanted to quickly go over some of our agent brand files that we have for you in our Learn documentation. So we've obviously made a pretty giant leap into having Cuppa be fully available via the API, CLI, or MCP. So any of those options are available to you. Our Learn documentation has actually grown since probably the beginning of the year. But there's an entirely new section here called Agent Marketing that I wanted to walk through. Because if you are using Cloud Code or your own terminal and firing up the CLI, there's a lot you can tap into with Cuppa via the CLI that basically can help you run the brand based on everything that we've done in the UI itself. You can, of course, use through any of the options available to you. So there's an entire new section here, agent marketing, agent brand engineering. We'll go over kind of everything that's available for you in the 6-channel framework here. SEO, AI search, email, media, creative, links, services, brand core. So a lot of different things that Cuppa actually has to manage the brand is all available to the agent, which is very important. And some of these skills will kind of highlight that. But Performance Hub data being critical to understanding for the agent itself, what the brand is actually doing from a visibility standpoint. And then you'll see further down here, if you are starting with the CLI and you're feeding this into Cloud Code, for example, I recommend just feeding it all of these. Of course, adding the skills, but also giving it the brand engineering and the workflows here. Just an idea of what the agent can do. So you'll see here just some recommended workflows. It's literally brand building, so it's not just hey, build me programmatic SEO or build me one article. It is very in depth in terms of what you can do in terms of the content pipeline. Research keyword, create content, grade it, optimize it, generate images, publish content, generate social media for it. So a lot you can do with it. It's wide open. So yeah, you'll have the complete workflows here, all the way down here, and references as well. This will go through the agent workflows, actually workflows that you can do, weekly brand cadence, new brand setup. So even if you don't have the brand set up initially within Cuppa and you sign up and you only want to use the Cloud Code, you can. You never have to touch Cuppa's UI ever if you don't want to. Everything is available. I forget what it is, 75 plus tools, a lot. But again, this is agent driven, so a lot of this should be very, very easy for the agent to understand and know what to do. So you'll see here a bunch of different workflows that we give as an example for the agent to go through. Agent skills, again, really recommend adding this to your agent here. It just gives you everything, like in terms of the map, brand engineering with Cuppa, all of these that are available. Get brand performance, content health, AI visibility, get backlinks. So everything that's available through the UI you can get here. And really that leads to like the auto brand skills as well. So this is important, but definitely give it the auto brand as well. There are some really interesting loops that we've created. Self-improving brand loop is essentially what this entirely is, the auto brand, where everything is measured against real data coming through. Diagnose, prescribe, execute, repeat, wait for signals, measure again. So very much we've hit the level where if all the elements are added in terms of GSC, GA4, if we have the data, we can really set up the agent to optimize your data automatically for the brand across any channel, which is pretty cool. Definitely recommend looking at the Learn documentation. Again, it has gotten more in depth, so definitely recommend it. But if you are doing anything with the CLI, start here in agent marketing. Also, you can scroll down to our REST API and webhooks, of course, but CLI, README, MCP, API, MCP, and CLI information down here. And if anyone needs help with any of this, if you're loading this up for the first time in Cloud Code and that's just kind of where you want to live. Happy to walk you through it. The customers that were doing this in beta for us absolutely loved it. Again, this is your complete brand building experience. It's not just one agent dedicated to social, one agent dedicated to articles, one agent dedicated to AI search. It's everything. Everything within Cuppa is available for you directly through the CLI. So it's the complete brand building experience with a couple quick commands and your agent running, which is awesome. So give this a look over, and if you have any questions or need help setting this up in your cloud code, just let us know.